Once, a beggar was upset with his life because he had to beg to run his life. He had to beg for everything. He would remain unhappy about this and thought about how his life would change, thinking that he would be disappointed. Every day, he would see that many frustrated people with tears in their eyes and troubled by various worries, were going towards Gautam Buddha, and they were very happy while returning. That beggar could not understand what Gautam Buddha used to do to them so that they would become very happy. While returning, there was neither a lot of money in the hands of the people nor gold and silver. Then what happened that people were so happy while returning from Buddha? Thinking all this, the beggar also decided that he too will go to Mahatma Buddha and see what is happening there, that unhappy people go to him and become happy. He walked to meet Buddha. Where Buddha was present, there was a very long queue. So that beggar also got in the queue. He started waiting in the queue for his turn. His turn came and he reached near Buddha. He said to Buddha, "Buddha, I am very poor. I have nothing. I have to beg others even to run my life. Now you tell me that how can I live my life and how can I do it better?" On hearing all this, the Buddha said, "You are not poor. You think so because till date you have never done anything for anyone. Neither have you ever donated anything to anyone, nor have you done anything for others." Hearing all this, the beggar was in dilemma. To solve his confusion, the beggar asked, "I am a beggar. How can I donate to people and help people? I have to ask others to run my own life." After hearing all this, Gautam Buddha remained calm for a while and then said to him, "You have a lot of things to give. God has given you a lot to share with others. God has given you hands with which you can serve people and do good to others. God has given you a smile so that you can make other people smile. You have been given a mouth so that you can say kind words and encourage others. You have eyes with which you can look at others with love and kindness. The person to whom God has given these things can never be poor. So you are not poor. You should move away from the thought of poverty, and poverty will automatically fade away." After listening to Buddha, the man became very happy. His face started to glow and his mind was satisfied now. So, the moral of this story is, most of the people waste their time worrying that they are poor. They think that why God has not made them rich and prosperous, and then people curse their destiny. The idea of poverty is in the mind of a man. Give love, give happiness, give smile, give good energy to people. Help the needy ones even if you have little. It is the law of nature that what we give comes back to us 1,000 times. So the one who gives can never be poor. Also, be grateful and happy for all the little things in life. If we appreciate what we already have in our life, whether it is big or small, we are always happy and we are always rich. Thank you. Have a great day. Please like, share and subscribe.